Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have admin rights and access to your domain controller. Start now by opening the Group Policy Management console. Once open, locate the domain and the organizational unit you'll manage, or create a new GPO to avoid changing existing policies. Make sure to name the GPO clearly for later tracking. This helps when you have many policies. After naming, right-click and choose Edit to begin configuring settings. This first step sets the foundation, so be precise about scope and intent before continuing. You're now inside the Group Policy Editor editing your new GPO. Go to Administrative Templates for registry-style settings and security settings for account and firewall controls. Decide whether each change belongs in computer or user configuration, because that determines when it applies. Once configured, save and close the editor. Then link the GPO to the correct OU so it targets the intended systems. If you need higher priority, set enforced or block inheritance on the OU. Use those sparingly to avoid conflicts. Once the GPO is linked, force clients to refresh using jeepupdate/force and verify results with jeepresult/r on a sample machine. This confirms the policy applied. If things behave unexpectedly, check Event Viewer and run RSOP to trace which setting caused the change. If necessary, disable the GPO or unlink it from the OU first to roll back quickly, rather than deleting it immediately. One key troubleshooting tip: always test on a pilot OU before wide deployment to catch conflicts early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.